Welcome back to Real Florida TV. Today our guests are Lynette James and Catherine Jordan. We're here to talk about breast cancer. We're here to talk about breast cancer awareness. We're talking about the upcoming symposium that's going to be held in Marianna, Florida in October. This is one you're not going to want to miss, and probably some pretty compelling information. If you're a woman, if you're married to a woman, if there's a woman anywhere in your life, this is some information that you're going to want to have. We'll be right back with more from Real Florida TV. Welcome back. As mentioned, we have Catherine Jordan and Lynette James. Catherine from Jackson Hospital in Marianna, Florida. Lynette, no stranger to the show. Lynette has been here in the past talking about elder services and alluding at that time to breast cancer awareness and their symposium held every October in Jackson County. First of all, thanks so much for being our guest today.
Thank you. We appreciate you asking.
You know, there's probably, and we say it many times, but it's very, very true. Probably no one that is not touched in some way by cancer. And breast cancer certainly being one of the #1 killers. And many times, just out of ignorance, people not realizing how serious the situation is, what they should do in the way of regular mammograms. So let's start at the beginning. Lynette, you've, as I said, been on the show before. Every October, this year for the 7th big year, you organize and execute a breast cancer symposium in Jackson County in Marianna.
That's right, yes, sir.
You have to turn people away, which is a good thing. Tell us a little bit about what it's all about and how it came about.
Our breast cancer awareness symposium started with feeling a need for the community to be more educated on breast cancer, the symptoms to look for, the treatments to look for, and how, if you were a victim of breast cancer, what you need to know and do to help your life, to save your own life.
Now, the way I understand it is that any woman 40 years of age or older should have regular mammograms. Is that right, Catherine?
That is correct. They should have an annual mammogram after the age of 40.
And obviously, as in any procedure that you may not have undergone in the past, a little bit of fear factor, a little bit of the unknown, and that maybe in many cases prevents people from pursuing that.
It does. Sometimes people think it's an uncomfortable procedure, which it is, but it's only for a very short period of time, and if a little bit of pain can help save your life, then it's certainly worth it.